What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Quetta J. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are new here, welcome. Today we're doing my wash day routine for my type 4 hair. You guys asked me for this a while ago. Sorry that it took so long, but right now we are separating my hair into 4 different sections so that it's easier to manage when we are in the shower. Now you will see me here wetting my hair with water just to help with the detangling process. I find that this helps with less shedding and pulling out of the hair when it's wet. I'm using the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. I find that I have less hair that comes out during wash day when I use this brush. So I would definitely recommend. I did have some jumbo knotless braids in, so my hair was giving me a run for my money when I was trying to detangle. It's a lot of re-wetting, going back in and re-wetting, but trust me, it's much better when you do it this way because nobody wants to be trying to detangle and get knots and whatnot out while they're in the shower. I'm trying to get in there and get out of there. I will be twisting up the 4 sections, and I will split the 4 sections into 2 sections as well. So essentially you're gonna have 2, 4, 6, 8 8 sections. I had to do some math there, but yeah, that's what's gonna happen. I started off with twists, but you will see later on in the video that I'm going to switch over to plaits because they stayed together much better during the wash process. Okay, so now that we have separated and detangled our hair, I'm going to start in the shower and I'm just going to rinse out whatever product was on my hair before. It's good to rinse out that buildup before you even wash so that your hair can take to the products. I came across this line, Function of Beauty. This is for curly hair, but they have all different formulas for different types of hair. I saw a YouTuber using this. I'm so sorry, I do not remember her name. It was so long ago, but I did go ahead and pick me up some, and I do like the product. I feel like it cleanses my hair. My hair feels clean without being stripped. And I really do love the conditioner, which you guys will see me use later on, because I do feel like it moisturizes my hair and it makes it easier to detangle. You'll see me retwisting the hair right here, And that was the moment I was like, I think I'm gonna have to plait these because these twists are not staying in. Now I'm going in with Cream of Nature with argan oil. I like to do a more moisturizing shampoo on the second round and a more clarifying one on the first round. As you saw, my hair takes really well to argan oil, so I always try to buy products with argan oil in it. My hair is really dry, so maintaining that moisture is super important to me. I'm going in with Function of Beauty's conditioner for coily hair. I will be putting the conditioner over each plait and also taking down the plaits, combing in the conditioner just to make sure that every strand of hair gets the moisture back in that it needs. I finished dispersing the conditioner on the rest of my hair off camera. Now I'm just rinsing out the conditioner to prepare it for the leave-in conditioner. Now we're going in with the Shea Moisture Balm Repair Leave-In Conditioner with almond oil. I don't know what I was thinking this day. I think I was trying to be cute for this video, for reaching for this for my leave-in conditioner when I don't normally do that. I actually use silicone mix for the most part. This leave-in conditioner here that I'm using, I actually like to use it for twist outs and for refreshing my hair after I've already washed and conditioned it. So keep that in mind. This may work for some people, but it kind of left my hair a little bit, I feel stiff. It may have been a little too heavy for my hair. You guys will kind of see at the end when I blow dry my hair. So I just wanted to put that out there, but whatever, we're here. I'm doing this video for you guys. You can use whatever conditioner works best for your hair. Now we're going in with the Silverbird Conair Pro blow dryer. I really do like this blow dryer. I feel like it really works well with getting my hair straightened out when I'm trying to do hairstyles with stretched hair. Whew, that was a lot. So now our hair is all blown out and sectioned out. I'm moving on to oiling my scalp. I just like to lightly oil my scalp in between the parts because, like I mentioned before, I do have very dry hair. So this helps with any flakes or itching. And after this, I just pretty much style. If you want to see my FlEXI ROD video, I will put the card here and link it down below. That's my usual go-to hairstyle, but for this video I just stopped right here. I'm going to take these twists out, comb through my hair, and slide it back in a low vibration ponytail. Y'all see how she a little stiff? Normally when I use the leave-in conditioner I was telling you guys about, silicone mix, she's not like that. So sorry about that. But yes, this is my wash day, guys. If you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can keep up and know what's going on with your girl. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace and love.